Morning everybody, Curtis here. It's my 1964 Dodge A100 pickup. Truck sat in a field in Oklahoma for 43 years. Matter of fact, here's the license plate that was on it. You can see the 1980 on it. I'm going to put this into the truck somewhere. Sitting on the rack, but we'll try to get a side view of it here. Love this patina. I'm not going to touch it. No linseed oil, no clear, nothing. Gonna leave it crusty. Taken lots of photos of this truck, but haven't really done any videos yet, so thought I would do one. Front bumper, built that out of 120 wall steel. Love the patina on this front bumper. Truck's sitting at ride height right now, 5.5 inches off the ground, which is the same as a C5 Corvette. Truck has a completely hand-built frame, C5 front and rear, C5 Corvette front and rear cradles. You see here where this cradle is narrowed 10 inches. It was quite the trick to get the unibody connected to the hand-built frame. Truck is on airbags. A guy named Rick Dauberton up in New York builds these really neat aluminum mounts to allow you to put a Corvette suspension under anything. Truck's on airbags. Go around the other side real quick. So the truck had quite a bit of rust in it, and on the interior of the cab had to build some panels to basically fix the rust without touching the exterior patina on the truck. I have enough light in here to really show this very well. Radiator is going to go here. Truck's going to get electric power steering, which will actually go through the original dash. Then there will be 2 of these V-Dog units. And then a sand rail super rack from Gear 1. For the steering. 295 wide front tire, which I've never seen one of these trucks built with real big tires on the front, so you can actually rally it. Bottom of the doors will get cut up quite a ways to clear. Lots of sheet metal work to finish the inside of this truck. The only place that I'm touching the exterior is the 2 holes where the roll bar goes through. Truck will get a full cage on the inside. .3 LS turbo, probably make around 600 horsepower. 4L60 Corvette transmission. Level 6, a level 4 Corvette C5 rear diff with a wave track posi unit in it. Some old distressed wood. Battery boxes here. This will get some more trim around it. There's quite a bit more work to be done back here. Our shop logo done in 3/16 steel. Welded some chain together. Everything hand fabricated and built. Theme of this truck is Little Rusty Wagon as an homage to the Little Red Wagon. This will get cut out of 3/16 steel and be mounted on the valve covers. Right now I'm working on this framework here, which will get wood on it. Hydro Boost unit with a Jeep slave cylinder, so there's actually two hydraulic systems for the brakes. A Willwood master up front, which engages the slave to engage the Hydro Boost, and then the master. I'm guessing the truck's going to be around 3,300 pounds. These trucks stock were about 3,050. Then they had a 150-pound weight in the very back of them. Very short wheelbase, only 90 inches. Fuel tank is going to go back here. I'm hoping for 20 to 25 gallons. Obviously some more wood, the same as up front. Some custom fender wells, wheel wells. Underneath. This cradle was narrowed 6 inches to fit. A lot of offset on these wheels. Bumper brackets, the frame all tied in back here to tie into the unibody. The frame is all 120 2x4 box. Here's that Hydro Boost framework from underneath. Battery frame on this side. Plywood underneath the wood. Of course, those pieces of wood are delicate and had to be liquid nailed to hold it all together. One of the sections tying in. A lot of metal plates in here. Another section tied in. Super strong. The main hoot for the roll bar inside the cab will be here and get tied in from underneath to the main frame as well. Batwing Corvette oil pan on the LS motor. I need to do some clearance in here because it is very tight to the motor mounts. I'll have to trim that back a little bit. Work in progress. As I said, the front cradle got narrowed 10 inches to fit up underneath the truck. Wheelbase is only 90 inches, so very short. More plates where we tied it in. So the airflow to the radiator will come through the grill, basically come through this opening